Well, so this is the street where my studio is. So you see that's the door.
Yeah.
So, hold on. Okay, so welcome to my studio.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, wonderful. Vale, this is my studio. So here I have the stuff. I receive books that are to be done or that are already done.
Yeah.
This is my super vehicle. How I come to work. And I have this metal thing with magnets, so I can take the photos of the paper things in here.
Okay, that's nice.
See, it's really comfortable to work on the surface. Guillotine, a chopping board.
Okay, this is a huge beast.
Yeah. I have moved 3 times with this.
Yeah.
I hope I don't have to move anymore. So, well, here's a bit of a table to take the photos and all that. So I'm really, after moving 3 times, I'm really happy to have a table that I can sit on it.
Yeah.
And the table that I can work standing.
Oh,
because,
yeah.
You know that you don't always need to be sitting. So that was one of my main interests.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. In my old workshop, I had 2 tables that were high and 2 tables that were lower, and I could work standing or sitting depending on the project, and that was really good. And the other thing was that all the students are of different heights. So some students preferred higher tables, and some students preferred lower tables. So that was quite useful for me as well.
Yeah. So here I have 2 backing presses.
Yeah.
With this one, you can as well trim the edges of the book.
Okay, so it has a plow. Yeah, I see a guide for a plow.
So here I have storage space and stuff, and well, some.
And that's a nice press there.
Yeah, it's so small that I use it mostly as a weight rather than a press.
Yeah, I have a similar one that I use as a weight a lot.
So here I have some brushes and tools. So here's an artwork I'm currently working at. This is a print.
Yeah.
A watercolor print. So that's let's say, the dry area. I also have another press here.
Yeah.
And here, this one is not really big either. I have a drawing. I can show you that this one is just restored. It's a pencil drawing.
Okay. Wow. Nice.
It was in much worse condition, of course. You can see the image of the previous stage.
Yeah.
So this is the, I call it the dry area. I have also a drawer with remaze and paper. And here...
That's a nice usage of space under the table.
Yes. I mean, I have plenty of space, but it's better to use it smartly.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is the wet area. So I will go back to the... and I have a sort of... here's where the boss is, upstairs.
Yeah.
And it's my dispatch.
Hey, you! What's the score?
Sure, the dispatch. And so I will show you some objects I have now that I have been working on. So these are 2 register books. These are the original bindings.